In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a long line in Microsoft Word using a simple keyboard shortcut. This might seem like a small task, but mastering these little tricks can really enhance your productivity and efficiency when working with documents. Whether you're drafting a report, designing a flyer, or just organizing your thoughts, a long line can add a visual element that helps separate sections or emphasize a particular point. First, let's start by opening your Microsoft Word document. You can do this by clicking on the Word icon on your desktop or locating it in your list of programs. If you already have a document that you're working on, go ahead and open that up. If not, feel free to start a new document by selecting File, then New. This will bring you to a blank canvas where you can type or paste text, insert images, and more. Now let's talk about why you might want to create a long line. In documents, lines can serve as dividers to separate different sections, making them clearer and easier to navigate. They can also be used for signatures, lists, or purely decorative purposes. Knowing the shortcut to create such lines quickly can be very handy when you're in the midst of working on a document and want to maintain your flow without interruption. To create a long line, simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and press the underscore key, which looks like this. Keep holding down both keys and you'll see the line extend across your document. It's truly that simple. This shortcut allows you to create a continuous line without having to manually type dashes or underscores repeatedly. You can adjust the length of the line by how long you continue to hold the keys. And there you have it, your line is complete. This quick and easy method can save you time and effort, letting you focus more on the content of your document rather than its formatting. Remember, small shortcuts like this can collectively make a big difference in how efficiently you work. As we wrap up, just remember that Word offers a variety of ways to enhance your documents, and getting comfortable with shortcuts like this one can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Practice this a few times, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other tutorials to continue honing your skills in Microsoft Word. Happy writing!